So today I'm going to try to make some Christmas decorations from recycled items like these little light bulb snowman dudes. So starting with the lollipops, take some cardboard or wooden circles. These were some that somebody was throwing out because they were making wooden rings, so I took the circles to make lollipops. You just want to draw out your basic lollipop spiral design on it. Try and keep the spirals evenly spaced if possible. You might have to redraw it a few times. And then you just want to paint every other one with white paint. Just like that. And then paint all the in-between ones with red paint. You could also use green too, because the green and white make nice lollipops. So then just take a stick. You can use a dowel, but I'm just using outdoor sticks to be eco-friendly, and glue the lollipop onto the dowel. And then take some clear plastic. This is leftover quilt batting packaging because I save everything for later use, so no plastic wasted. Then just tie some festive ribbon around the bottom of the lollipop to hold the plastic bag in place. And then cut off the plastic so that it's all even and looks lollipop-ish, just like that. And then you can make a bunch of these and put them on a path leading up to your house. It'd be really cute. For the light bulb snowman, save your old light bulbs. Paint the screw part with some black paint. Then paint on a couple of little black eyes. And then the little black stone mouth. And then paint on a little carrot nose right in the center because it makes them look a lot less creepy. And so then cut yourself a circle of black cardstock. Cut a second circle out of the interior so that you end up with a little ring. You want the diameter of that middle circle to be just a little bit smaller than the light bulb. Slide it over the screw part. Then you give your snowman a little like park ranger type hat. Take some yarn, put a little bit of glue on the back side. I'm using Power Tack here because hot glue doesn't stick to the back of metal that well, so you need some other kind of glue. Push your yarn into it, and then you got a nice little hanger for your snowmen. You can make a bunch of them. You can use different sizes to make different size snowmen and hang them off your Christmas tree or wherever. So for the wooden snowman, just take a scrap piece of 2x4. I had a bunch of pieces that were a little over a foot long, so they weren't good for much else, so used them for this. Give it a coating of white paint, and then 3 or 4 inches from one of the ends, run a line of glue. And put a strip of cardboard that sticks out on either side, glue that in place, and then cover the whole thing, the cardboard and the few inches above it, with black paint. And that's going to be the snowman's hat, so it'll end up like that. And then give him 2 black circles for eyes. Make your snowman have a face, and then some smaller circles with a little snowman mouth. And of course every good snowman needs some buttons on his coat. And then because he looks so creepy right now, please give him a carrot nose. It really makes them look much happier and less creepy. And you'll have to cover up any mistakes if you screw up like me. And then take a little piece of red or green fabric. You could also use blue, whatever color, plaid would look cute. This is just a little piece of red I've got left from the sweater Christmas stocking I made, so that's what I'm using. You just want to tie that around where his neck area would be. And tuck down the ends so your snowman stays nice and warm and cozy in the cold weather. So there's a little snowman.